Yeah, the internet went down. As far as I can tell, it is not known exactly why, but Discord was down for a while in terms of particular features. I believe it was like image uploading and whatnot. That seems to be fixed. They're now showing operational. NPM was also down, and as of a minute ago, as I started the stream, essentially, apparently everything is fixed. And so npm is essentially it's a stupid third-party package management system. It's complexified the web. It's complexified everything. All of these third-party systems that everybody is dependent on. It's just ridiculous how far we've gone with this. I think it needs to just be done away with. If I had it my way, I would just completely remove third-party dependencies wholly, and you go back to the old way, which is you looked at source code and you pulled in what you had to pull. I'm sick and tired of this. I think it's done nothing but harm. You can see that the Down Detector website showed a massive increase in a lot of other services: Spotify, Google Cloud, AWS, Pokemon, UPS. I mean, it goes on and on and on. You can see the chart here. So many of them. Everything is centralized, right? Deport all the third-party dependencies are giving our responsibility to third-party systems like this, and then doing the whole package management stuff. No bueno anymore. And all it does is it centralizes authority, kind of like a trust the experts kind of thing. And what are we getting out of it? One of these things only one of these things needs to go down, is what I'm trying to say. And then you have essentially something like this. I mean, you can't argue that there is a centralization factor here. You can't argue that. You'd have to be a complete moronic idiot to argue that. And the reason why you'd have to be a moronic idiot is because if it's not a systemic centralized problem, then you wouldn't be seeing downtime across multiple services like this. It just wouldn't happen, which means that there was some third-party dependency from all of these services that went down. And somewhere along the way, because of poor security practices, stupid decisions we've been making in the tech industry, AI, sloppy code, take your pick, put them all together, and you have somewhere along the line a particular portion of the chain of the link of chains or whatever. One of those links is weak, and it caused all of this downstream. So this has to stop. Like and I just want you to picture, if you're not a programmer, I just want you to think about what this means for your data, your privacy. The amount of stupidity that goes into setting up these services also goes into creating the code that you run on your machines, on your phones, in your cars, on construction sites, in malls. Take your pick. All of those same stupid practices are all replicated everywhere. That's why you're so frustrated with everything. And this is just a very explicit, overt result of all of these stupid practices in front of your screen right now. I can't make any judgment calls yet on what actually happened. I just have to let this play out and then wait for the information to come out on what happened. It's the best I can do. So I'm going to keep an eye on that, and we'll see what shakes loose. And obviously when the information comes out, I'll review it for sure, and we'll go over it here. Because yeah, hot damn.